Here's a story from one of my favorite incentive trips that we have hosted at GoGather. We were at the Rosewood Mayakoba in Mexico. Our team thought of every last personable detail that we possibly could have to really truly immerse the attendees into this culture and spoil them for an entire week. When they arrived, we brought them in on boats and they got to come in greeted with a specialty welcome cocktail. They were escorted to a private check-in area. They received personalized service from the GoGather team, took them through their welcome packet and explained all of the activities that they were going to be participating in throughout the week. We had an amazing welcome reception with food. We had live music. It was a multi-day program. Night one, we had an exquisite welcome reception with live cultural music. We worked with the chef to customize a menu that showed vibrant, bright colors and flavors that really represented the location. On day two, the winners got to have breakfast with their leadership team, which they loved. It was in an intimate setting where they got to really, truly talk and strategize and get to know the different leaders, which they don't get to do on a regular basis. That day was a day of leisure for them and their guests, so many of them opted to go to the spa. They opted to lay out at the pool or do nearby activities. On day 3 and 4, we had pre-planned activities that these attendees got to choose during their registration. So they got to choose different activities by each day. Things like going to the cenotes, going on a cultural hike, taking a cooking class, learning how to make homemade guacamole, and then, a few of them partook in a little bit of tequila tasting. It was fine. They had a great time. On the last day, we had a closing ceremony and dinner on the beach. We pulled out all the stops from the decor to the food to the drinks that were offered, and then finished the night with an amazing fireworks show from our location. A fireworks show that you can't get anywhere else, just an unbeatable experience. As the guests left on the final day, our team was out there to bid them farewell, make sure that they had all of their luggage. We got to ask them about their week. We got to tell them goodbye and safe travels and see you next year. If you need help planning your next incentive trip, our project management team is here to help.